How many of you are much concerned about your customers? Do you really know that the growth of your business solely depends on them? If they don't patronize your goods or services, then your business doesn't even exist. Today I'm going to show you how you can build a customer feedback form that can really help you to know how your customers feel and say about your business. This can really help your business to grow by making decisions from their feedbacks, because the strength of your business relies on how very well they are satisfied. Many businesses are collapsing gradually due to the negligence of this. Don't worry, I'm here to help you. I'll show you how you can build this form and use it, and even pull all data from the form, analyze them so you can take a good decision for your business. Now we're going to build this customer feedback form using Google Forms. Google Forms is one of the best cloud-based tools that can help you to create forms. So we just head towards to Google Forms. So if you have opened your browser, just search for Google Forms. So I'll just search for Google Forms. Now the first result that comes, you click on the Google Forms, sign in. So you need to have a Gmail account. So if you don't have a Gmail account, you need to get one. So I've already signed in, and this is my Google Form. Now if you want to know and learn more about Google Forms, I have a video on my channel. So you can go to Tech Edify YouTube channel, and you go to video, you see this video talks much more about Google Forms, so you can watch this video. Okay, so over here what we are going to do is we're going to create a blank form for our customer feedback. So I'll just click on the blank here. So when you click on the blank, it comes with this default form that is on title form. So actually we have to name our form. So I'm going to use Tech Restaurant. So that is the name that we're going to use for our form, and that is basically the name we are using as a business. So if you have a business, you have to put your business name or whatever title that you want it to appear there, you put it. So I'm going to use Tech Restaurant. So that's my business name, and then for the form description, we can put in some basic information. So let's put "we appreciate your feedback" as a sub description or form description. Okay, so that's our form description. Now you can go ahead, maybe you want to bold it, you can just make it look a little bit bolder. Okay, so we are going to build up a form here. So we need some certain components on the forms, that is what we're going to use to collect information from our customers. So over here, if you want to collect email, that is you want them to input their email address, you can leave this one here. Now you can change it from the settings, I'll go there later. So let's come to the forms. So what do we need on the form? So the first thing that we need is we need to take their name. So I'll put the first option, that is name, that is full name. That means we want to collect customers their full name. So I need to change the option. It's on multiple choice, so we have to change it to short answer so that they can input their name there. So full name, we will need a full name, and then also we will need their telephone number. Now if you want their name to be required, you can just hit on we want it to be required, so we just put it there. Now to make it simple, I can just click here to copy it, or if I hit on this add question, it can add another question here. So the next thing that we want to do is to take their mobile contact or their phone number. Yeah, so their mobile number to the type of the field, you can let it be on the same short answer so that they can input their number there. Now one thing is that you can use this number section or field later for promotional purpose. Maybe you want to use it to do SMS marketing. So if you want it to be required to, you can hit on require. Require means it's compulsory, they have to put in their phone number. So that is it. And then we also need maybe their WhatsApp number if you want to create a WhatsApp broadcast that is to be sending them promotionals and offers. So we're going to add that one as well. So I'll add another question and then say WhatsApp number. So for WhatsApp number, it might not be everyone that will have WhatsApp or is using WhatsApp, so I won't put it on required. Yes, I won't put it on required, so I'll leave the WhatsApp field not required. So we'll go to the next one. Now let's see locations. Assuming like maybe our restaurant, we have different locations that we serve. So I'm going to include another question whereby I will let the users pick the locations that they are buying or patronizing our goods from. So we just add another question here. So then we'll name it location. So we are saying location you visited. Now over there we need to change the type or the form type here, so we can make it a drop menu. So we'll make it a drop menu, and then we'll include all our locations. So where our restaurant we serve. If you have only just one location, you can just leave it there on one location. So we are assuming like maybe you have multiple branches, or you have different branches that you serve. So I'm going to add 3 branches here. So we'll say Accra, Kumasi, and Takoradi. So over here, users will have a drop down menu that they can choose from the locations that they visited. This will even help you to know which of your various branches or locations that the customers normally buy, because at the end of the day, this form is not going to be per branch. It can be used universal for every branch of your business. So let's go to the next one. So we'll have to also add another question: dine in or take out. As our restaurant, sometimes people may come in and have their foods there, or maybe take it out. So we're going to add another question and say dine in or take out. So that is the dine in or take it. So let's use a multiple choice. So we're going to have dine in, then I'll add another option and say take out or take away. Okay, so over there, users or customers will pick either they are dining in or they are taking out. So, and then the next thing that we need to do is let's include the day visited. That will also help us to monitor various days and customers that normally come. So I'm going to add another one question and say date visited. So the date visited, automatically you will leave it on date. If you want date, that is automatically they can pick from a calendar, so that will be a calendar. So that is it. We will have to make it required, and then let's change the dining also to be required, because at the end of the day, either the customer will dine in or take out. And then also the location, also we want to make it required because it's very, very necessary. Okay, so we are going to add other feedback components like food quality. We want to know how customers rate our food quality. So either it's excellent, good, average, or dissatisfied. So I'm going to add another question. So I'll just click on this one, and then I can add another question. So what I'm going to ask here is that I'm going to put food quality, and then I'll give various options whereby they will choose either excellent, good, average, or dissatisfied. So let's put it there, food quality. So how do they rate our food quality? So I'll put food quality here. Okay, so that's our food quality. We want to put various options that they will choose from. So the first option that we're going to give is excellent, and then the next one we'll have to put good. So we're going to give another option, good, and then the third one we're going to give average. So either fair or average, any of them is quite cool. And then the last one we're going to put dissatisfied. Okay, so that is what we want to know or hear from our customers. How do they check our food quality since it's a restaurant? Okay, so I'm going to make it required. It's very necessary. We want to know how they check our food quality. Now we're going to add another one which will ask them the overall service quality. So what I'll do here is that since I'll be using the same thing here, I'll just copy this one by duplicating it. So you click on this one to save your time. So I'll just change the heading to overall service quality. So overall service quality. is go by the same thing. So either they will choose excellent, good, fair, or dissatisfied. And then also we want to also look at cleanliness. As a restaurant, how do they see the workers? They have various cleanliness over there. So I'm going to duplicate this one as well and change the heading to cleanliness. So let's put cleanliness here. Okay, so we want them to also rate our cleanliness, whether it's excellent, good, fair, or dissatisfied. Okay, and then also we have to also add another feedback component, that is order accuracy. How does customers see our order accuracy? So I want to also duplicate this one and then change the headings to order accuracy. So let's put it there. Okay, so you can go ahead and add whatever customization that you need. So we want to also know from our customers, how do they check our speed of service? So I'm going to duplicate this one and then change the headings to speed of service. Okay, so we want them to rate our speed of service, either excellent, good, fair, or dissatisfied. And now we want to also check from customers, behaviors of staffs. Sometimes staffs might be showing certain kind of attitude towards customers. So we want to hear from customers how they also feel about our staff attitude. So I'm going to duplicate this one and then change it also to staff attitude. Okay, so that's the staff attitude. We want to know from customers how they feel about our staffs, whether they are performing or they are not performing. So as a business person, you can make a decision. Now we're going to add one two field and then we'll end it for the form. Let me duplicate one of these and let's name it the overall experience. We want to check customers how they see the overall experience about our business. So I'll duplicate it and change this one to overall experience. Okay, so that's our overall experience, and we're going to add last, and we want to hear from them. Maybe if they have any comment or compliment or suggestion about our business, they can put it right there. So I'm going to add another question. So I'll click on this one, and now here I will change the form entry type to paragraph. The reason why we are using paragraph is that they might enter enough or lengthier text, so we're going to make it paragraph so they can add as many text that they want. So this one, we're going to name it any question or suggestion. So any question, suggestion, or comment. So customers can pass on their comment or section. So that one too, we can make it required. Sometimes there are certain people, they might not wish to put in anything as comment or suggestion, so we're going to leave it as on required. So that is it. So actually this is the form. So what we are going to do is that we want to change or add, when it comes to the presentation, you see show progress bar. If you want to show a bar that indicate the various progress of whatever they are doing, you can just put it there. So let's come to the confirmation message and then edit it. So you click on edit and then you put up a confirmation message. The confirmation message is the message that will appear to them after they have submitted the form successfully. So we're going to put our confirmation message or feedback, that thank you for your feedback and we appreciate your time. So let's put it out there. Okay, so this is our feedback or confirmation message. So I'll just save it. Now we just go back to our form. Now this is the form, is ready. So how do we get this form and then maybe share it for our customers to fill? Now there are so many ways that you can do that. I suggest if you have a tablet, you can mount it in place of where your shop or your restaurant is. Either you put it on the tablet and open it in a browser. So let's see how to copy this form link and then share it with someone. So you can just go to the send here. So when you go to the send, then you see that we have send via email. You can just copy the link here. So this is what you copy. So you come to this side. This is the whole link. It's very lengthy, so you can click on this one to shorten it so that it makes it very simple. Now you can copy this link and share it. So if you have a tablet, that is, if you have a tablet, at least you should get a tablet for this kind of thing. So there will be a tablet, you mount it and then put this form on it. So it's very simple. After you've copied the form link, you can just open up any browser. So if it's a tablet, on the tablet, just open any browser on the tablet and then put up the link there. So this is the link we just copied. So when you open it, automatically it gives you the form. So you see the form that we just created. So this is how the form is going to look like. Yes, so this is where we put our location so customers can pick it up. So when you go down there, you see that dine-in or takeout, everything is here. Yes, so after the end of the day, they will just click on the submit, and this form will be submitted to the Gmail account that is linked with this form. So that is how you can generate the form for your customers. So what we are going to do is that I'm just going to put in some informations quickly. I'm just going to add 1 or 3 informations in the form, so you see how the data will reflect on the form, and then we will see how we can extract it. So let's go straight and see how we can add up information on the form. So after you've submitted, or a customer submitted it, there will be the feedback that we gave you. That is, thank you for your feedback, we really appreciate. So if another person wants to submit, they can just click on submit another response, and it gives them same form. Anytime a customer submits a feedback, you see the responses under it. So when you go there, you can see the various responses that has come. So we have 3 responses. This is a summary of the whole thing. So when you check down here, you can see the various emails that have responded. Now when you come down here, you see their names. That's the various forms filled. You see their mobile numbers, and then it goes on and on like that. So you see locations you visited. So you can even analyze from here which of your locations customers normally visit. As a business owner, you can take these charts or analyze this chart to make a decision about your business. Then you can see that almost 33.3% buy from our Accra, and then 66.7% buy from our Kumasi. Actually, the information or data on it is very few, so you don't see it much. Okay, and then you can see the dine in or out, and then you can see how many people dine in. That is the blue one. So the 66.7 dominate. That's the dine in. Most of your customers dine in, and then 33.3 takes out. And then you can see the dates visited. So the various dates that customers buy from. These are the various dates. All is in December. That's why you see 22nd, 23rd, and then 30th. And then the food quality, you can see the excellent dominate. So it means that your business food quality is a little bit good. And then when you look at the overall service quality, is also good. The fair is 33, and there's no decertify here. And then when you come to the cleanliness, you see also it's fair, and excellent is 33. So all these things can help you as a business owner or as a shop owner to know how your business is performing, because at the end of the day, it's those customers that are patronizing from you, not your staff. So it's good to know and hear from how they see your business and how they are satisfied with the various service. So this is the speed of service. You can also analyze that one. And then when you come here, you see staff attitude. You can see it has splitted. We have dissatisfied, 33 people are dissatisfied. Fair people, fair are 33, and then excellent also. So you can see it on and on. And these are the various suggestions and questions that has come. So all this data will be there for you as a business owner. And one interesting thing is that you can even extract all these data into an Excel sheet. If you don't want to accept any response from the forms, you can just slide this thing back, and customers will not be able to access the forms from their end. So that is it. Take this opportunity and then use it to rate your business, how your business is performing. You can check everything out. Now let's see how to extract this data into an Excel sheet. So what you have to do is that you click on this one. So over here you click on create a new spreadsheet, and then click on the create, and automatically it opens it in the Google Sheet. A Google Sheet is also a spreadsheet application. Also, it's part of the Google cloud-based tools that you can use. So these are the various data from the form. So you can see the date column, the email, the full name, the mobile number, the WhatsApp number, the location they visited. You see, you can just go ahead and then view all this information. You can print it, you can use it for data analysis and other stuff. So if you want to download this thing on your computer, you have to go to the file and then you come here to download. So you can download it as a Microsoft Excel file or a PDF file. So let's generate it as a PDF file. So I'll click on it, and now automatically this is the data here. So I'll just click on the export, and automatically the file is downloading, and this is it. So that is it. You can use this Google form to create a customer feedback for your business, to take responses from customers and see how your business is going. Thank you for watching, and I want you to comment in the comment section if you want to start using Google Forms to build a customer feedback for your business. Let me know. Just say I want to start using it, and I'll be there to answer any question. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if today happens to be your first time, and if you find this video very useful, please hit on the thumb button on the video and then share it as well. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye bye.